Me famule una kusha kusha una kabo kabo. This na Daniel McCarthy. They come to you all the way from Dallas, Texas, the United States. Ladies and gentlemen, you don't tell we I come, on my channel, my YouTube channel, or make a video and post as, what I can do most times as matters arising as it has to do with Sierra Leone. This afternoon or this morning, I woke up and saw some trending stuff would go on about the state of emergency imposed or declared by our president, the retired Brigadier Madabio, and some people not like him. Some people not glad for that or whatnot. A lot of people actually, and I couldn't say that I'm more disappointed at Sierra Leoneans and the way we think. I just kind of for probably educate some of we a little bit, if I may, or if you may call it like that, because some of we italic say, the fact that and when I can talk, say not to everybody we go school get sense, not true. Sometimes we get for use we common sense, and sometimes we get for look at we past mistakes them and make sure so we not continue for make the same mistake them going forward. We make mistake in a salon where Ebola enter inside salon. Me, one of the people that will be criticized the then President Koroma government for not acting swiftly to prevent Ebola from entering into Sierra Leone when he was at the border, the Guinea and Liberia border. And now we get president where they try for act and put strict measures in place for make sure say Sierra Leone, which we are very, very underprepared. We are not even prepared for short pandemic or for short virus for enter inside salon, and we get someone that will still they out there to talk. This has nothing to do with politics. 100%. First of all, you get to understand that there is nothing much more important than the safety and your security, your health, nothing. Whether you get to go up in markets, whether you get to go school, you get to go work, if now when you get good health, now when you get safety. You tell them what this salon, everybody they run after we. You don't even worry about anything else. Only thing you worry about for may God save your life. The one that will be there under, will be they suffer from Ebola. Always thing that be they worry about. Now for may God save their life. You understand? And so the safety and well-being of the people is paramount. That's the most important thing. Everything else come next. You get country them when at the super world power and at the war, like Italy, like the United States, and all of these countries can put things on hold. What's in that salon not going for put things on hold? And let me make a correction. Some of when they go around they talk say, 1 year. You see that the thing this way they can talk say again. Sometimes, don't not go school and you don't have school for how many years and you don't understand what you need to understand. Or not post something stupid just because of you choose not for understand or because of you want for politicize everything. The 1 year state of emergency that was declared by President BO no means say salon get for the under state of emergency for 1 year. It means say we are on the lookout. If things get better, then we'll come back to the table and look at it, and that state of emergency will be cancelled or be revoked or rescinded or whatever it is. But for now, to just for tell people how serious this thing is, it is very, very important that the president come out and act very strongly. Last week, I saw a post from Umar Fofana, one of the most trusted source of information when it comes to news, when it comes to Sierra Leone news. I saw a post from Umar Fofana where say Sierra Leone only get 1 ventilator. Can you imagine? Just 1. And we know something, and they ask, when America has to make the struggle for them. We're not getting a salon. And so we get to do everything possible for make sure say this particular virus stay away from salon. We know how many people then die from Ebola. We know how many people then die from mudslide. Of course, the war we not go talk. Come on, man, let me learn with lessons. All right? I always don't talk, say, believe me. Democracy, yes. But even with democracy, there is a boundary, there's a limit. You understand me? Even inside America here, when they declare California, New York, declare say everybody for this house. They activate the National Guard. The National Guard in the streets of New York, Times Square, everywhere. Because you know what? They activate what is called, I think the martial law or something like that. That means when they tell you say sit down inside your house, unless something essential, You come on and do a problem. You go up in store a problem. You know. But one thing about we Africans, we no one for abide to anything rules. And then I will not the same one that will go come back and complain. Later on say, oh, the government this, oh, they not do this, oh, they not do that. No. Man, come on. This is not about politics. This is about we people them. If this thing enter inside salon, we are doomed. I'm telling you. All right? Because we are not even close to being prepared for it. So please, take safety precautions. Listen to what the expert and the tell you now. The government not tell you for sit down. I was just because una know what's in the poil by the government when they say sit down. You know, una know what's in the poil. You small for the market you get for go up, you know, me not to that mean say they go for put everybody at risk. You know? We all at certain point in life, we have to give up a little bit of our comfort for the greater good of everyone. It is not just about you, it's about everybody. You know? The world as we know it, as it has to do with traveling, change after 9/11. You know why? Because of what happened 9/11, people they learn the lesson. Now when they travel all over the airport, they nearly want to put the doors by you for check you. You know why? Because of the one make sure say you are safe when you enter that flight. Where will they go passporting event, then basketball game, football games, and everywhere. Then they check there are metal detectors at the door. Some schools, them get metal detector when you enter inside. Because they want to make sure say the safety of people is very important, and they want to make sure say everybody's safe when they enter that particular venue there or whatnot. And so this time around, if we therefore give up a little bit of our comfort, so that we all go benefit from it, so be it. Someone reported or came up with a video from China, and they advised America say the best way America go for tackle this whole virus thing, therefore make sure say they lock down and try to separate those that we don't contact this virus from the people that will not get them. How you do them? You separate them. 2 weeks, people start showing symptoms, and call emergency or go to the hospital. You separate those that got it from those that don't have it. But if we all parade at the street, then it keeps spreading. Same thing with salon. We got to watch out. Because we don't know that we don't enter inside salon, first of all, we get them. They say that salon gets 0 case. We don't even know if that's really accurate. Because do we really have what it takes to check people to know that, even though when America for check people, there's not a problem. Now I go say salon. We don't even know if that's accurate. And so that's the reason why we therefore be careful. I saw a video this afternoon by a busy the salon musician, Bangura, alive or whatnot. And believe me, I love everything about it. But it's try for advise people them. Try for talk to people them. Make we take politics out of these things and understand saying that for the greater good of everyone. The 1 year not mean say okay for the under state of emergency for 1 year. Some of people don't buy ticket and for go salon within the next week from now. But all that things that they cancel. People that they don't plan for go, we get business them, that salon. A lot of people them. But all that they on hold. Because you know why? Them believe say the people of Sierra Leone, we health, with safety is very important. We don't want to go take something, go to people there and go put risk for people there and I will not say we are not even prepared for that. And so please, some of you get sense when they post to go beach, please, we need for the educate the people them. Now we have for the come and educate the people them and talk to the people them and advise the people them. But then they do the wash hand, the sanitizer, do the small thing they want for make sure say this problem, this trouble, make this time around make it pass over with country. We don't do see we own pass overness. Salon, Liberia, especially Salon and Liberia. Come on, man. Those 2 countries, man. Every time we don't see we own war. Ebola. Come on. This time around, let we take safety precautions so that this thing we then call this coronavirus not go enter salon, or even if it enter, we go for container. Do you mean a big at the big? We will get sense small. Una will get sense small. Una educate the one that we don't understand. Una not try for play with the mind of the people them all because of this politics business. Yeah, like I can always say, there is life, there is more to life than SLPP and APC. I am an SLPPer. Not just an SLPP, I'm an executive member of SLPP. All right? But there is more to life than this politics. We papa they don't do, and woman they don't do until they don't die, they don't go. You know, we go get for left farm and go. We are in communities, we fight each other because of politics, business, or whatnot. It is not that important. When you turn around at the same community side they live again, at the same people the way you get for talk to back again. You get for see. You get program, you picking girls, baby shower, or whatever it is, you picking the married or you the married, you get for call the same people them. And when you turn around and talk all kinds of because of politics, well, this particular thing, this particular coronavirus, please don't put politics aside. Let we come together as a nation, as Sierra Leonean, and make sure say we starve corona out of Salone. Thank you very much. May God bless we all. May God bless Mama Salone. And may God save the world as we know it, as it has to do with all this pandemic and these viruses where they go around. God bless you all. Thank you.